Welcome everybody. Welcome back to another Every Haircut Challenge, the video where we show you guys barbers that have to cut every single client throughout their clientele, throughout their books, throughout their, you know what I mean, their whole day. So in this video, we'll be grading barbers from an A to an F. There is no minuses, there is no plus. Either you get an A, B, C, or D, or you fail, all right? And today, in this video, this one right here, I'm gonna stop procrastinating, but in this video, okay, we got Chris Bossio up next, man. Finally, all right? He about the first one that I called down. I'm just gonna throw that out there, all right? But we got Chris Bossio. Enough of procrastination. We're gonna get right into this video. You guys stay tuned. I don't know why I put two, whatever. All right, you guys, we are back. Without further ado, let's see if Chris Bossio has what it takes. Pretty sure he does. I mean, come on. I'm just saying, but let's just dive right into the video. Let's go.
Hi YouTube, what's going on? It's that time.
Chris!
Today's the day. Every haircut challenge.
Yes.
Easy challenge your boy. And put a lot of stress on me. I ain't gonna lie. Put a lot of stress on me.
Gotta put
guys,
that guns on you, Chris.
So today I'm gonna do the most haircuts I've done in probably a year and a half.
Get back to it.
For the love of YouTube.
That's what I'm talking about.
For the love of Jeezy.
That's
and
what. Ooh,
every haircut
for the love of Jeezy.
Let's go.
That's what I like to hear, man. It's all love.
Today's the day.
Let's get back to where
challenge.
it started.
It's going down. You doing it too? Oh.
Hey, S-Craft Blends is on the line. He's doing it.
First things first, we gotta clean all this stuff up. I gotta organize everything because
Real talk.
If I don't organize everything, right now I'm on handicap because there's gonna be a lot of haircuts and I'm not prepared. I'm not built for this right now.
You see all the clippers that he got? Guys. He got the power mat, the power clips, the cordless, the shears, the products.
It's going down.
So like, Jeezy, don't act like you ain't got all that too. Hey, you know what I mean?
What's up, man? We're doing a challenge. It's an every haircut challenge. They want me to record.
This is a good texture to do one on. Not your picture perfect, but still, nevertheless, good texture to do a fade on. Shear work up top, starting out. I usually start out with the fade first, but I know Chris transitioned into doing the shear work on top first, so that's what's up. Hey, about to break out my freestyle in a minute because it's getting a little too quiet. Yeah, check it. He's using the shears up top. Oh my God, Chris Bossio using the shears up top. He can't be stopped. But in the end, I just want to see the stuff with is written out without a pen. I'm coming in, I'm doing this thing, and I'm I tried though. Y'all seen how y'all seen how it was coming across, you know what I mean? It sounded good at first. Hey, I don't know why you left the guidelines there like that though.
See how it's like thicker than a thread, right? See it? See how it's like super thick? Each hair strand is super thick. Look at this beard. That is coarse straight hair.
Okay. Oh, we getting into this now.
Straight hair.
Okay.
Jeezy. This is coarse straight hair. I'll show you some more coarse straight hair.
Okay.
Come over here, Matt. See how every hair strand is super thick? But his hair is straight. That is coarse straight hair.
I'll touch on this at the end of the video. But okay.
Jeezy. Come on, bro.
Okay. Let's go. All right. To be politically correct, we got coarse hair, all right? Coarse straight hair, as the African American community would call it, all right? When I mean coarse hair, I'm talking about African Americans. As you can see, I'm talking about diversity in your clientele. So when I say coarse hair, I'm essentially talking about African Americans. I'm not talking about like Caucasians, Asians, you know what I mean? In the African American community, that's how we just, you know, kind of put hair texture into place without talking about, you know.
Unfortunately, I have set my day up for failure.
I was about to say
because
religion.
I was trying to get my next client to come in 15 minutes skin tone
and
Turns out
other ethnicities. God dang it.
Now, it's going to be a tough every cut challenge. I'm literally going to be behind the whole day. I'm going to be cutting.
That's the challenge.
Trying to squeeze these guys in. It's going to be a disaster.
That's the challenge.
Think of what the shop be putting out. The hands in here. Man, we got a crazy team.
That's craft blend.
We might have to do velocity cuts versus headlines.
What? You don't want them problems. I'm just saying. Chris Bossio and the whole headlines team don't want those problems. I'm gonna stop singing. Clean. We already know, man. Chris Bossio does great work, man. He ain't finna get on here and just put out just anything, man. He gonna try on every single haircut. But the whole thing is for them to realize. I mean, I wish he realizes, but I want everybody to realize. I mean, the guys that's on YouTube right now that's just putting out videos like this, they realize that cutting hair, filming it, and having a busy schedule, it ain't easy. All right, it ain't easy. But that's definitely clean. Clean. But hey, check it out. Chris, Matt, S-Craft Blends. I'm scared to say F-Craft Blends. I don't know why. But F-Craft Blends. George, Memo, Grelly, Arlen, Ray, Justin. Come on, y'all. Austin, let's stand up real quick. Stand up. Because they trying to challenge us right now. They threw it out there in the universe. They threw it out there on YouTube. I'm just saying. Wait a minute, Chris. I think there's a little cricketness in that line, but I'm just saying. We could go back and look at it, but I'm just saying I might have seen it a slanting a little too
fire.
In the comment section, let me know. Am I tripping?
Get it.
Or did y'all see that too? Bald line in it. I like to start with the detailers, man. I use them as balding clippers. They flexing on me with the cordless masters, though.
Hey, just a heads up, guys. I caught up. We're almost done with this cut. We're almost
They
there.
really flexing with
I'm
me.
just happy I caught up. You guys know how it is, man. The stress that you get from falling behind.
Falling behind, you gon' follow behind on this challenge. You sitting here filming everybody, cutting everybody with the camera. You gon' fall behind. But like I tell everybody in Velocity Cuts, sometimes you gotta be behind to get ahead. Sometimes you gotta be behind to get ahead. Y'all gotta think about that. When I'm behind, I'll be filming. I'll be promoting myself. Clean, crispy, faded, blurry. Man. Gotta rest my eyes real quick. That was too much sauce. Too much sauce.
Hey, you gotta give customers what they want. Color enhancements. Give them what they want.
Already. I run it up. Already. Gotta get it. Enhancements on the line. And I'm spitting. Oh, I thought the beat was gonna drop. Made me look like a fool. Made me look like a fool. Hey, that's texture right there. That's good texture right there. That's a good, possibly could be a good blend.
On everybody.
Yo, you got a nice
Indeed,
line.
indeed. Yes, yes, yes. Indeed, blurry, blended. Natural with the lining in the front. High taper on the sides. Blurry in the back. Chris, you need to dust him off though. A little hair behind the ear though. Can you get that little hair behind the ear? You know what I mean?
You want both of the, you want all that?
Yeah, I need all that.
Come on now.
Man. You can't
A
come in
little
with
hair
my
behind that
baby
ear there. I mean,
and put me
we're
to
not
work
really
right there.
judging you on that. I mean, we're judging you on the quality of haircut. I get that. But I'm just saying, man. I ain't trying to see all that dirt behind the ears. You already know this is a challenge. Okay? We're YouTubers. This is what we do. So dust him off before you decide to put on the camera. Come on, you know what they say when you're talking about posting a picture. You don't need to see all them hairs. There's no beard going in. It's all good. I'll calm down. You know where I'm coming
Real
from.
day in the life
Hey.
of the barbershop. Towel day. Fold them towels, put them in there, and we back. We ran out of towels. Shout out to Josie and Kendrick. Teamwork.
Teamwork make the dream work. Sheer work make your fingers hurt. But you gotta do it. To my man that's sitting down in the background, man, get up. Get up. I don't like to see that. To my man that's sitting down in the background not doing nothing. I'm just saying, get up, do something. Don't just sit there and look at Chris cut hair. Get up! My dude. Get Hey, Chris's sheer work is on point, man. It is on point. He's definitely, even me, I'm still working on sheer work to this day. And Chris definitely stepped it up. Definitely proud of Chris when it comes to that sheer work on top, going out there and getting the knowledge for it. He definitely did that. Cause I remember him saying in the beginning he didn't know what he was doing with the shears. So you know what I mean? So that's how I felt too. Now this is a tough texture. It's thin. I mean, this is a tough texture. And I know you guys are looking at it like, it's aight. But this is, it's coming along cool. It's coming along cool, never mind. But this still, without a doubt, this is a tough texture. He did his thing on this. Blend it in the back.
What'd you say?
Got me looking like a model. Y'all don't challenge him no more. Right? No more challenge.
I'm gonna run the challenges up. I'm running the challenges up.
Listen, hey.
I'm running the challenges up. Just because you good don't mean you can't get the challenge now. We got a bald head and beard here. I think I'm off rhythm at this point. Hey.
I gotta do the before and after to YouTube challenge. Relax, bro. Don't get all like.
Good
Don't get
texture.
all like,
Good texture.
All right, so that's the before.
Curly hair. Good texture.
Eli's got a YouTube channel too, low key. I just gave him advice. If he wants his channel to pop, he's gotta have kids.
Nah, no kids yet. I'm too young.
Another Tito Production. Oh. Cleaning up the eyebrows. Cleaning up. Razoring up. I ain't even got nothing for this beat. I ain't got no type of freestyle for this beat, though. I'm really surprised that they want it with velocity cuts, though. That's what I'm kind of in my mind. I'm like, man, we can make this happen. We can make this happen.
All right, guys. Got one more.
One more?
Got one more appointment. Everybody's been wondering where he's at, and I found him. I
had to go search
I got
for
him to come in. I want to make sure everybody knows he's safe. He's still alive. Look who it is.
Fun.
People don't even know if you're alive or not.
I'm around.
You're alive. What kind of haircut we doing?
Taper.
A taper.
Fun.
Growing out my hair.
Damn.
Look at his face. Fun.
You don't know this.
Don't tell him. Fun. All right, Fonz. Fonz. All right, Fonz. Fonz. All right, Fonz. Fonz. All right, Fonz. I already knew it. I already knew it.
Bring to you.
I already knew that this was gonna be a good cut.
There he is.
I already knew it.
The new
I already knew it. I already knew that this was gonna be a good
How can I be
cut.
back if I've never been this way?
Yes, yes. Fonz got good texture, man. He just kind of thinning up top, but not up top, but in the corners. But other than that, man, it's good.
That's it.
No more do-rags.
Hey, no more do-rags. Oh my goodness, Fonz. Fonz. It's so hard to say goodbye to Fonzarelli. Fonz! All right, you guys, that's the end of the video, man. And it ain't no. This is not a challenge for Chris. This is not a challenge for Chris. This is not a challenge for people like us that's already on YouTube, really just grinding it out, man. We're gonna put in our best work. We're gonna show you, you know what I mean? We could just do it. This is what we do. So y'all already know I had to slap Chris Bossio with the A, all right? In the comment section below, I want you guys to let me know what is your thoughts and opinion on Chris's every haircut challenge. But yeah. Oh, about the coarse hair, all right? Me and Chris, we went live and we had a little debate, and I was telling them that in the African community that, yeah, it's ignorant to say that coarse hair is black. You know what I mean? We identify coarse hair as black, but that's just the black culture. You know what I mean? That's just what we do. When referring to Caucasian and their hair type, to us, it's all straight. You know what I mean? They just got straight hair. It's all straight to us. So that we just went back and forth, and that's what I was trying to get Chris Bossio to understand, that in the black community, this is how we feel. Straight hair, you dang near Caucasian. You know what I mean? It's rare if you black and got straight hair. You know what I mean? But it's possible. We're not saying that it's not possible, but like me, I got medium texture. You know what I mean? I'm in between both. If I cut mine real low and wash my hair is straight. It's just going, I ain't gonna have no more waves. You know what I mean? It's just gonna be straight. But coarse hair to us is those little bitty waves that just it's just hard texture. But I know that coarse, medium, straight, kinky, all that is in all textures. I know this. This is what I know. I'm a barber. I went to school. I know these things. I'm just speaking for the black. I'm speaking to my black audience when I'm saying this. I'm a waiver, all right? So I just had to get that out of the way. And I want to say this. Chris Bossio, if you want a headlines versus velocity cuts, matter of fact, scratch that. If you want a velocity cuts versus a headlines battle, we can make it happen. I ain't never scared, okay? I ain't gonna back down from no battle. I don't care if you got S-Craft Blends, Matt Gifted Hands. Okay? I got George Cepeda. I got Mims the Barber. I got Relly Bo. Come on, man. The list goes on. It's your boy 360 G's. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Follow my man Chris Bossio. Link will be in the description. I'm out. Peace.